Hey guys, NASCAR Fan 94 here. Today I got a brand new Walther's gp9 US Army locomotive. Let me just take this off first. Oh my gosh, I got a brand new train. What? Look at this. Look at the number in the back. Oh my god. Whoa. What? This is so cool. Alright, let me test it out. I got it. It's so cool. Alright. See if this runs. Yep, it does. It's so quiet too. Bruh, this is awesome. Let's see if I might go through here because, you know. Oh my god. Yeah, I have to do some like cleaning. But damn, bruh. This is awesome. Wow. Alright guys, see y'all later.